destiny is all.
So, here we are at Bamburgh Castle, or Bamburgh. Yeah. Seems ages since we did the last vlog, but here we are. We're going to take you around Bamburgh Castle, and I believe they've got some Last Kingdom, what do you say, props, and the throne as well. So we'll come and show you that as well. See you in a minute. One of the best rooms probably in the castle is the bakery. What we got over here? Could that be a pork pie, Luce? Could be a pork pie, I'm not too sure.
I'll say it's a pork pie.
Who doesn't like a pork pie? So yeah, this would have been one of my favourite rooms in the castle back in the day. The service centre. This box here, but it looks like it would have contained ice cream. Northumberland's freezing winters when ice was plentiful. Ice cream was a new luxury. It was made in ice boxes like this, which was used winter ice collected by servants.
And wash. Yeah, and wash. Service centre.
Yeah, the service, the scullery, which is a place they would have done all the preparation for all the people upstairs. Look, there's some rooms to sweep. And here's the shop.
It is right that the Italian people made a feel of how it's like to use their prepared by the people of the community. And the family is general, rolling along the coast, reverberating in the mountains, staying the cosmos there, and got happy carved out and bank when the victory was won. Our trust is our area. Is not going to make the same mistake again. If they do, without having necessary people who are not the ground, or the United States, we have still start every day. And this is not the reason and not
So through that little gateway there, that leads to the museum, which we just showed you. I don't know if you can hear me, it's quite windy. Yeah, it's been a good day. I think it's going to be a bit of a short vlog this one, because it was hard to vlog on this one. But we're going to go to the beach and we'll get some pictures of Bamburgh, it's Lucy, Bamburgh Castle from the beach, get some good scenic shots for you, and we'll share them up with you next. How did you find it, Lucy? Did you like it?
It was good, but there just wasn't a lot to like talk about, really, was there?
No, there's a lot of artifacts.
It's more arty than history.
Yeah, I like it when you go to a room and it's set up to how that room would have been.
Yeah, it wasn't like that at all.
No, it's got 3,000 years of history, and I tried to show you everything what they've got. Oh yeah, it's a good day out, get some great views.
Yeah, and if you park on actually Bamburgh Castle parking, it was £4 all day, wasn't it?
£4 all day. Yeah.
Don't go to the long stay car park, it's a rip-off.
Oh, look at this. Some great views. We're also going to go to the Holy Island, so that's going to be coming up. And like I said, we'll add some more photos of Bamburgh Castle from the beach. Right, we'll catch you in a bit.